Alright? So guys, importante, humility in our hearts as always. No? And then, the deep, sincere intention to connect kay God and receive God's healing energies. Okay? Now, please hold your glasses of water. Pwede po sa tapat lang ng heart or above the head. No, mas better kung above the head. And magpe-pray lang tayo, ha? Divine Father, Lord Jesus Christ, Divine Mother, please bless this water that we're about to drink. Please bless all of us and heal our healing concerns, physical healing, emotional healing, and mental healing. Heal our minds, our soul, our heart, our physical bodies. Empower us with your light and love. Thank you so much, Divine Father. Thank you so much. Okay guys, pwede ba pong inumin? You can drink your water now. Okay? So, 15 minutes po ito, no? So, please close your eyes, no? Again, feel the humility in your hearts. Be aware of the light on top of your heads. Hello, Miss Christian. Yanmar, hello to you. I'm glad that you're still here. Now, allow that light, that divine light from God to enter your mind. Allow that light to heal your heart. Allow that light to illuminate your entire being, to help heal your concerns, to heal your anxiety, to heal the depression, to energize your exhausted heart, your emotions, to empower your physical body. Okay? Everyone is welcome to enter the light. Please do receive the light with humility in your hearts. Enter the light. Allow the light to heal you. Very good, guys. Miss Christian. Miss Christian, you might feel electric energy or fiery, warm energy sa hands mo ngayon while you're driving. Just accept it. That's empowerment coming from our Divine Father for you. Miss Maricon, please extend the healing energies to your mother and to your partner there. Okay? Welcome, Miss Divine. You can still join us. We just got started. Okay. Miss Lian. Alright. Allow the light to enter your heart. And then remove. Allow the light to remove any insecurities or any self-doubt or fears that you are experiencing right now. Miss Roselle, you might feel the energy, most especially at your back area, sa lower back area, no? If it's too much for you, Miss Roselle, just inhale, exhale, no? But I think you can handle the strong energies you're going to receive tonight. Miss Grace. Alright. Okay. I can see na there's empowerment that you will receive for your eyes right now, no? Para medyo mas maliwanag yung eyes mo, yung dalawang eyes mo, no? So that is good. That's okay. Okay, very good. Miss Divine, allow the healing energies of God to relax your face, no? To melt away any stress in your face, in your chest area, in your arms, okay? We are all children of God. We are all children of the light. Please say in your mind, I am the light. I am the light. The divine spark is in me. Again, please say it in your mind, I am the light. I am the light. The divine spark is within me, now and forever. Embrace who you truly are, that you are the child of God, that you are the light. Embrace your true nature, which is divine. Don't overthink it. Doesn't matter what we have done in the past. What's important is that we embrace who we truly are. We can make positive changes in ourselves, in our actions, in our thoughts, in our words. But at the very core of it, it's important that we realize who we truly are. As divine children of God, as beings of divine light in the physical body. You're divine, Miss Divine. You're divine, Miss Christian. You're divine, Miss Mariko. You're divine, Miss Lian. You are divine, Miss Roselle. You are divine, Miss Grace. Let us remember who we truly are. Then inhale the divine light and allow it to be compressed in every cell of your bodies. One more time, inhale. No, tapos just exhale regularly, no? Just exhale normal air. Again, one more time, inhale divine light into your entire body, into every cell of your body. Then hold it there, embrace it, embrace who you are. And then just exhale regular normal air. Okay? Very good. You are the light. You are the divine child of God. The divine spark of God is within you now and forever. Accept who you are. Embrace who you are. For some of you, you would feel heaviness sa may paa nyo, sa feet, or sa leg area. That is good. So everyone, focus on your feet area, sa legs, no? And then, be aware of the light there. Okay? Allow the light to go down from your head down to your feet. No? Down to the very toes of your feet, the 10 toes of your feet. Okay, very good. Feel the empowerment rushing into every organ of your body, every cell of your body, every bone of your body. If it's too much, feel free to shake a bit. No? But just keep on receiving divine light and accepting who you are. Again, let's say it together. I am divine light. I am the child of God. The divine spark is within me now and forever. Very good. You could feel now na very, very dense na yung energy around you. As if there's a very strong wall of energy, of light on top of your body, surrounding your entire body. Yeah, that's good. For some of you, baka merong nafe-feel na parang pulsing energy sa heart chakra and sa solar plexus chakra. Yung iba naman sa bandang tenga. Yung iba naman sa may third eye. Yung iba naman sa kanilang hands and feet, soles of the feet. You could feel some pulsing energy. So that is normal, that is okay. That is the energy that's in your body right now. As you deepen your realization of who you truly are as a divine child of God, okay? So just focus on these energies and welcome them in your heart. Now, I'd like you to use your mind's eye. I want you to look at your own self. Look at your own energy right now. I want you to see yourself, guys. I want you to see your own energies. So go ahead, look at your own energies right now, using your mind's eye. Focus on yourself and look at your energy. Look at how beautiful and radiant your energies are right now. Look how expansive your energies are right now. For some of you, lumalagpas yung energy nyo ngayon hanggang sa labas ng bahay nyo. Hanggang sa labas ng walls ng bahay nyo. For some of you. Yeah? So that's very good. For some of you, feeling nyo connected kayo sa buong universe right now. So that is very good as well. Yeah? So know your true power. Know who you are. You have the divine spark, the divine energy from God in you. It has been within you. Since you were born, you were created for so many lifetimes, now and in the future, now and forever, eternally. That is who you are. With humility in our hearts, please say this with me. Divine Father, with humbleness of my heart, please assist me in stabilizing this divine light in my entire being right now, now and forever. In the service of God, of the light and love, may this light be with me now and forever. Okay. Now let us bless our divine planet, Mother Earth. With pink golden energies, let us bless our divine planet together and share the healing energies with her. Let us help our divine planet nurture all of the plants, all of the animals, all of the beings, inhabitants of this planet, especially our brothers and sisters, those who are in the dark, who are sick, who are troubled, who are in the middle of a crisis, calamities, or wars. Extend the light to them, touch their hearts, and whisper to their ears that they can make it, that there's hope, there's a solution, that they are the solution, that they are the light of God, and that they can survive this. They're never alone. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Please extend the light to your family members, to your loved ones. To your house, to your friends, to the people that you have to forgive, to the people that you need forgiveness from. Bless also, if you like, you bless your wishes, the things that you'd like to manifest. Okay? Okay. Now, together, let's give thanks to our Divine Father, Lord Jesus Christ, Divine Mother, all of the archangels, all of the spiritual masters. Thank you so much for blessing us with divine healing energies and empowering us and helping us remember who we truly are. Thank you so much, Divine Father. Okay? Sorry. So our energy healing session has ended. Connect na sa your body, tapos gently move your arms down, no? And kung hindi nyo pa po naubos yung water kanina, please consume it all. Please don't waste a single drop of it, no? The energy healing session, the energies that we have received tonight will have an effect until tomorrow, no? So sharing tayo, guys, no, para medyo mas maintindihan ng mga ibang tao nakikinig sa atin or manunood na ano ba, what's happening ba while we are doing the energy healing. What's happening to you guys individually, no? How is it beneficial or helpful to you guys? No? Ayan po. Sige. So, anyone would like to go first? Nga pala guys, available na po yung ating Miracle Energy Healing Oil. So if kanina po, we bless the water, no? That's for 15 seconds, I guess. The energy healing oil, I have consecrated it and blessed it for, basically, I did a mystical ritual to empower it with healing energies, no, from God. Kumbaga, mas potent talaga siya, and what we are going to do, we're going to apply them, no, on our different chakras, no? And it's going to stay much longer sa physical body natin because it's oil, no? Yan. So, ito po itsura niya. Teka lang. So, who'd like to go first? Miss Christian, baka gusto mo mauna? So, ito po guys, no? Ito po siya. Roller type po siya. There. Yan, na nasa TikTok shop ko siya, no? So, just let me know. I just order them from there directly. Okay? Miss Christian, how are you?
Hello.
Yes, Jesus Christ. Thank you kay Jesus Christ. Yes. Good evening, Miss Christian.
So, as usual, I am still driving. But when you said po na may energies doon sa hands ko, I felt it po.
Meron na, no?
May, meron po. Para siyang
Fiery?
electrical energy.
Yes.
Tapos, meron din quite numbness sa
Yes.
tips ng fingers.
Yes. Kasi saturated with energy yun, with electrical energy. Kaya parang nagnanam ang feeling niya. Pero it's not numb.
Oh.
Kumbaga para siyang lasers kanina. Shooting out energies. No? Very good.
Ngayon po, talaga tinatry ko
Sorry.
na mas ma-understand yung sarili ko.
That's good.
Kasi, going through changes is very painful kasi it's really hard for me, lalo na yung process na to, lalo
Yes.
na yung i-transform ko yung mindset ko and perspective kasi I've been in low vibrational energy ever since I was young. So I'm just trying to take my time one day at a time na magkaroon ng changes sa mindset and sa kung paano ako mag-think every day.
Yes, that's
And
good. No?
I'm trying to be grateful for the small things, blessings that are coming my way. And just try to accept everything. And kasi po, I have been very impatient ever since. Like when
Yes.
I want something,
Gusto
when
mo
I set
instantly,
my
no?
mind into something, yes. Parang nasanay ako na mayroong instant gratification.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
ngayon po, talagang tinatry ko na maging patient din sa sarili ko. Na ang mga bagay na meant for you takes time. Because you have to be ready
Yes, because
to receive it.
yes, no, kumbaga it would require a more healed version of you to begin with to receive the beautiful things coming your way, correct? So patience is important. Patience on yourself as you go through this healing process, no? Miss
Yes,
Christian,
po.
those are wonderful realizations na that you're having. Okay.
And I have forgiven myself from all the mistakes that I did in my life. Because
Yes, very good. Very good.
if I don't, I will carry it with me for a very
Yeah.
long time and it's not healthy.
There will be no
And I know that-
transformation.
Yes po. Tsaka God is a very forgiving God.
Yes.
And He has shown me unconditional love kahit
Yes.
na I'm a great sinner, you know, sir.
Yeah, no? It doesn't
that's why-
really matter naman talaga, no? The thing holding us, most of us, no, are being held back by the unnecessary guilt, no?
Yes. Oh.
No? But once
So
you have
that's what
started
I'm
doing
working
things,
on.
there's no more need for that, no? You don't have to crucify yourself again and again for something that you have done in the past. Do something about it, transform yourself, move on, accept who you are. The changed version of you. You go from there. No? It's pointless to go back and punish yourself again and again. No?
Yes.
Yeah.
Opo. Kaya
Okay.
I'm trying to avoid those thoughts na lang din.
Yes. No?
And
We
think
can
of
address
other-
that sa energy healing, actually, Miss Christian, no?
Opo.
Yung
Sige
mga
po.
unhealthy, guilty, tendencies na maging guilty tayo over something, no?
Yes.
We can help release that sa energy healing because it's already a toxic trait or mindset that we are holding, no?
Opo.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang, sir.
Yeah.
And yung
Oo.
sinabi mo na look into your energies. I saw
Oh yeah,
myself
bandang huli. How was it?
Yeah. I saw myself with radiating parang orange, white rays of light.
Yeah. Actually, golden rays of light yun. Hindi siya orange. Parang orangey lang, pero gold talaga yun. Nakikita mo, ha?
Opo.
No? Very good. No? Very good. Thank you so much, Miss Christian.
Thank you po.
And yeah, no? Miss Christian, available na ating oil, ha? So, whenever you have time, order ka na lang, ha?
Opo, sige po.
Okay, bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Baba na kita po, ha? Ayan. Baba natin si Miss. Ayan, bumaba na siya. Yes, Scorpion. Very good po yan. Ano? Ang reminder niya ay purification, maging humble, be forgiving. No? Everyone deserves forgiveness, especially ourselves. No? Thank you so much, no? Scorpion. Yan. Who'd like to go next? Miss Divine, would you like to go next?
Naka-open pala yung hindi ko na
Okay lang. Okay lang naman. Hindi mo po maingay sa side nyo.
ang na-feel ko po kanina pag yung ano talaga yung sinabi mo na ano yung sa mukha ko stress talagang stress talaga ako yung sa sunod.
Tama, no?
Kasi absent ako yun.
Oo nga, na-miss kita.
Marami kaming activity kaya gabi na nagagamit.
So medyo ano. Pero kasi kung madam na pagpasok mo, nakita ko talaga dito maraming mga gumagalaw-galaw ng negative energies. Kaya sabi ko, doon talaga magpo-focus mo na yung healing mo para matanggal yan, no? Yan po yung mga everyday stress from work, from the environment, from the people you deal with every day. Kasi may mga negative energy sila and consciously or unconsciously napupunta sila, dumidikit po sa inyo. No, ganun po yun. Kaya sa energy healing po, tinatanggal talaga natin yan. No, madam?
Opo.
Tapos,
Tapos
kamusta po?
later on na feel ko yung kuan yung parang may nabigat na may mainit sa likod ko na parang pino-force yung
Yes.
yun yung ganun. Kaya kailangan ko mag-inhale exhale tapos parang hahabulin ko yung hininga ko para lumuwang yung pakiramdam
Yes,
ko.
very good. Very good. Na para mas ma-absorb mo siya, no? Ma-relax ka
Tapos
lang.
after nun parang medyo kumaan naman yung pakiramdam ko nun.
Congrats. Very good po, no? Ano pa po, madam? Miss Divine.
Yun lang po. Yung parang
Yung sa
i-vision yung yung blast yung sa bandang huli yung
yung tignan niyo yung energy niya. Nakita mo energy mo?
hindi po, parang konti lang nga, parang lang, hindi ko masyadong maanin na parang ganyan lang yung
Okay lang
hindi ko
yan,
masyadong
yeah.
ma-visualize.
Okay lang yun. Pero I guess may naramdaman ka, no?
Opo.
Naramdaman mo yung energy mo somehow. No?
Opo, hindi ako nakaabot doon sa sa prayer sa tubig.
Okay lang yun, madam. No? Importante talaga yung humility in our hearts, no? Meron naman tomorrow, no? Yan. Okay?
Opo, sana maka-join.
Salamat po, madam. Oo. See you tomorrow sa mga susunod pang araw, no? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, alas 8 po ng gabi. Meron tayong free energy healing dito. 15 minutes po yon. And also, Miss Divine, available na yung ating Miracle Energy Healing Oil, ha? Na-message actually din kita kanina kasi nagpa-reserve ka before. So, I have to update you, no?
Sige po.
Okay. Nasa ano kayo? Nasa shop ko na lang yun. Opo, nandun po sa shop ko yun. Makikita kayo doon. Isang product lang naman din po yun. Ano? Yun. Click nyo na lang, no? Para, yun. Ma-ship na natin as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you so much, madam. Ayan. Sana bukas nandito ka ulit, ha? Naninibago ako kasi pag wala ka dito, eh. Kasi ikaw lagi nauuna, eh. Di ba? Lagi siyang ano... sige. Sige. Sige po, baba na kita. You like? Ako nang baba sa'yo, ha? Okay, take care po. Yan. Sige. Miss Grace, gusto mo ba mag-go next? No, basically, guys, energy healing, lahat po tayo ay may power niyan, may ability to develop that. Ha? Hello, Miss Grace. Sige po. Kamusta?
Hello, sir. Okay na po.
Very good.
Yun, sir. Yung sa mata, yung sinabi
Wala kang
mo-
video? Kung pwedeng video, madam, video tayo para mas maganda usapan.
Yun,
Hello.
sir, yung sinabi,
Hello, baby.
yung sinabi mo, sir, na medyo, ang tawag dito, yung ilaw, yun.
Ang nasa mata mo, may nakita kasi kung humiliwanag na yung mata mo kanina sa simula pa lang. Tama ba?
Correct. Nakita ko rin, sir.
Ganda, no?
Tapos, ang ganda nga, parang liwanag talaga. Alam mo, sir, yung parang flashlight tuloy, yung parang fluorescent lamp na napakalakas ng ilaw. Parang ganun siya kalakas.
Yung liwanag niya, pag titignan mo, di ba, Miss Grace, sa gilid ng mata mo muna makikita. Sumisinag. Ganun yung nakita ko sa'yo. Yung tinignan na yung energy mo. Pero bago ko pa sabihin sa'yo, nakikita mo na, di ba, nasa-sense mo na parang may something.
Yes, sir.
No? Very good ka. Very good yun.
Tapos yung nakikita ko pa yung parang blue. Blue talaga. Blue na malawak. Blue siya.
Parang ganito. Ganyan pagka-blue.
Yes, sir. Oo.
Ito
Blue
sa
siya
background
na
ko.
sobrang malawak siya. Tapos,
Yes, that's correct.
yung ulo ko, sir, yung nagliliwanag, nakikita ko.
Very good. Very good. No? Very good yan. Ano pa? Ano pa po yung ano? Karga mo si baby habang nag-energy healing ka? Uy, ang swerte ni baby boy. Baby boy ba yan? Baby girl? Kung okay lang malaman. Hello. Ang swerte ni baby girl. Nakaka-receive siya ng energy healing. Tahimik naman siya the whole time. Nag-healing tayo. Tahimik. Na-enjoy niya siguro, no? Ay, next week mag-testimonial ka, baby girl, Pinilit yung bata. Walang kamuwang-muwang. Sige pa po. Ano pa daw, madam? Ano pa po?
Yun yung pinaka-last, sir. Yung parang nakita ko yung reflection ko. Yung ulo ko yung nagliliwanag. As in, ulo ko talaga. May ilaw.
Oo. Teka, may tanong si Miss V. Ate V, mamaya pasagutin kita, ha? Tapusin lang natin si Miss Grace. Sige pa po, Miss Grace.
Ayun na yun, sir.
No? May naamoy ka kanina habang naghihiling.
Yung parang insenso. Kahit parang ganun siya.
I think kasi kanina medyo pinapaamoy ko yung energy healing oil sa inyo, So, kung may nakaamoy sa inyo na parang may something na incense, kaya naamoy sa hangin nyo na wala naman kay incense. Tapos i-compare mo, ha? Pag natanggap mo na yung oil, kung ano yung amoy, di sa naamoy mo ngayon, ha? Ayan, meron nag-order. Mamaya ako po, check ko po, hindi ko po kayang pagsabayin dito. Isa lang yung gamit ko dito.
Tuloy-tuloy na yan, sir.
Oo nga. Alam mo ba, you're the first one to order from me at ang pangalan mo ay Miss Grace. So, unang grasya ka. So, thank you so much. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng synchronicity ng universe. No? Ayan. Sige, sagutin ko lang si Miss Ate V. Ate V, yan po, tama po yung sabi ni Miss Lian. Ang energy healing po yan ay libre naman po ito. No? 15 minutes po yan, magmula Tuesday hanggang Friday. Nagsisimula po ako noon alas 8 po ng gabi. No? So, atad lang po kayo dito, tapos prepare po kayo ng glass of water. Sorry. Glass of water. Kasi i-bless po natin yung glass of water na yon para kapag nainom niyo siya, yung energy, healing energy from God, hindi lang siya sa hangin dadaan, pero maiinom din po natin, no? So, for some people here, they say na instantly may nararamdaman silang relaxation or calmness. No? Or parang some form of energy going inside their body upon drinking the water, no? So, si God naman po yung nag-bless nun, kasama ng mga guardian angels natin. At yung ating sincere, humble intention na ma-bless talaga, no? So, tulong-tulong po tayo kung baga, no? So, I hope to see you tomorrow sa TV, no? Ha? See you tomorrow, ha? Healing oil po, kasi di ba po yung water na bless, no? So, the healing oil, actually, binless ko rin siya. Or, I prayed for it. Let's put it that way. I prayed for it for 14 days. Ito po siya. I prayed for it for 14 days, no? Every day po yan, I dedicate a time of my day to pray for the oil para ma-contain niya, no? Ma-absorb niya lahat ng healing energies. No? So, kumbaga, very, very concentrated po yung healing energies dito. So, kung yung water na very effective siya, kahit 15 seconds lang siya na pag-pray, what more ito, kasi 14 days po talaga siya, no? So, mas potent po ito. Basically, gagawin po dyan, ilalagay sa mga spiritual centers natin, no? Sa crown, sa third eye, dito, sa heart, o kaya naman kahit saang part ng body ninyo na kailangan ng healing. For example, sa liver, o kaya sa likod, kung sa kidneys, ganyan. It has been prayed for to help your body absorb the healing energies, no? Para mas maging open yung spirit mo, yung soul mo, to receive the energy, healing power from God, no? So, mag-i-stay talaga siya dyan to do that, no? Yeah. Okay? Pero, I highly suggest attend muna po kayo ng energy healing, no? Tomorrow, kung di kayo naka-attend kanina, please attend muna kayo para ma-feel nyo po yung mga sinasabi nila dito. Ha, madam? Okay, so, kita-kita tayo tomorrow, no, Ate V. Diba? Kasama na natin si Ate V. Yes, thank you so much, no? Ayan. Hindi nga ba yun? Double I pala yung V niya. Alright? At siguro Victorian, no? Kaya Ate V. No? And thank you for the follow, madam, and thank you for your interest, no, sa ating ginagawa dito. Yan po si Miss Rosel, si Miss Lian. They've been here attending my energy healing sessions, both yung libre, kaka yung mga paid po. Since March or June, mga ganun po, no? Medyo matagal na rin sila. Nakaka 6 months na rin sila dito. And later we will hear their testimonials, no? Ayan po. Sige po, Miss Grace, okay ka na? Nasabi mo na lahat ba, Miss Grace? Kamusta ba yung energy mo kanina when I asked you to look sa... Okay. Kamusta yung energy mo? Yung tinignan mo yung sarili mong energy kanina? How did it feel? How did you see yourself? No? Comment mo na lang dyan kung hindi ka na pwede mag-video dito. Baba mo na kita, ha? Maliwanag. Very good, no? I'd like you talaga, guys, to see with your own spiritual eyes, with your own mind, to see how beautiful your energies are. That's the goal here, no? For you guys to remember how powerful you are, how beautiful your spirit is, no? Kung gaano ka-clear yan, no? So, energy healing kasi natutulungan yung mga bagay na yan. So, lalo na guys, kapag ginagamit nyo itong oil na to, no, the third eye, matutulungan talaga siyang mag-heal, matutulungan siyang ma-empower, matutulungan siyang magliwanag para mas makita mo yung divine energies, yung healing energies, and most importantly, yung totoong spirit mo, how beautiful your spirit is. Okay? Okay, sige. Miss Grace, laba mo na kita, ha? Sige, who'd like to go next po? Miss Lian, Miss Rosel, or Miss Maricon? Kahit sino po sa inyo, no? Bato-bato topic na lang. Maiba taya. Sige na, ikaw na, Maricon. Ang ganda ng ngiti mo, eh. Di bungaran mo na kami. Ngiti-ngiti ka dyan, ha? Ang ganda ng ngiti mo ngayon, ha?
Good evening po, sir. Good evening po sa lahat.
Okay.
Napaka-emotional ko po kanina, sir. Kusang tumutulo yung luha ko.
Talaga?
Sa mga nakikita ko po.
Ano ba yung nakikita mo po, madam?
Una ko pong nakita, 3
Sorry.
kandila po siya.
Three candles.
Kulay blue, kulay green, tsaka kulay pink. Tapos,
Okay.
3 kristal, kulay green, kulay pink. Po
Okay.
dun sa kandila.
Okay. Tapos po?
Nakita ko po, para po siyang isang gold castle. na
Very
napakalaki.
good yan. Very good yan. Yung nakita mong golden castle na yon, it represents the kingdom of God, no? That's very good.
Tapos sa
Ano pa po?
kanan ko po, nakakita po ako ng white dragon na parang niyaka, yung pinakabuntot po niya parang umikot po sa akin na nakayakap siya.
No, dragon po kasi guys, a very mystical creature, spiritual creature po yan, ano? Very, very powerful and full of wisdom siya, no? Kumbaga in the truest meaning or symbolism of a dragon, no? Very, very spiritual, very, very powerful. Divine entity or energy, no? So that's good. Color white, especially kapag white, no? Or golden dragon nakikita nyo, no? Yan, very good po yan. Ano pa po, Miss Infinity 8?
Ang parang nagpatulo po talaga ng luha ko, sir. Talagang walang tigil siya na tumutulo kanina. Nakita
Ayun po.
ko po si Saint Michael sa kaliwa ko. Tapos si Saint Raphael po sa kanan ko.
Okay.
Binigyan po nila ako, sir, ng alam niyo, sir, yung baol na malaki.
Treasure chest, no? Golden chest, ganun.
Punong-puno po ng ginto yun, sir. Nilagay po nila sa harapan ko.
So, ibig sabihin yan, madam, mga blessing po yan na parating sa inyo is already there, no? Is already there. Kumbaga, halos nakikita mo na talaga, no? Kumbaga parang tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung faith mo, yung hope mo, yung pag-work mo, yung effort mo to do good, no? Mga ganun bagay, no? Okay?
Tapos yung message po
Ano pa
nila,
po?
sir, kaya parang talagang naiyak ako. Sabi po nila sa akin, miracle of abundance is coming to your way. Please be patient.
Wow!
Kaya
Ang ganda nun.
emotional
Oh my
po ako
God.
kanina talaga, sir. Hindi ko mapigilan yung luha ko.
Yes. Uy, baka kailangan mo mag-ampon, ha? Napatawa ko lang, no? Kasi, damang-dama talaga, no? Ayan. That's very beautiful, no? And directly na si Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael na, no? Yung nagsasabi sa'yo, no? Ayan na, there's a pot of gold, the treasure, no? So, yan. No? Just have faith, no? Meron naman may mga mabubuting tao naman na magtutulong sa'yo, maggagabay sa'yo, no? No?
Opo.
Ayan. Tapos meron pa tayong energy healing dito. No? Makakatulong yan sa'yo para kung may mga challenges ka, stress, day by day, mababawasan kahit paano para mas lumakas ang loob mo, no? Ayan. So, ganun po kasi talaga ang ng energy healing, it will help us release yung mga negative energies para mas yung mga challenges ng buhay, mas magawa natin, mas ma-address natin sila, no? That's why I'm doing this energy healing for free Tuesday to Friday para kahit paano makapag-assist po sa ating pong lahat, no? And to bring more awareness about energy healing, lalong-lalo na sa Pilipinas. No? Ayan. Anything else, Miss Maricon? How did you see yourself? Yung sabi kong, tignan nyo yung energy nyo. How did it feel?
Nung nakita ko po yung energy ko, sir, nagulat po akong haba ng buhok ko. Tapos, ang kulay po niya gold.
Oh, yeah. it represents yung ano mo, yung energy mo, yung chakra mo, yung crown chakra mo, kaya siya gold. No?
Opo.
Okay, very good yan. Ano? So, that's a good
Tas yung-
transformation na nangyari sa spirit mo, sa energy mo, ha?
Yung damit ko, sir, yellow-green, na kumikintab.
Yellow-green. May green tapos merong yellow.
Opo.
So, magkahalo sila. Okay, very good yun, ano? Yung green, of course, kay Archangel Raphael yun. Healing energy niya yun. Yung yellow, of course, golden color yon, no? Divine energy yon. So, divine healing ay bumabalot sa energy mo kanina.
Yes po.
Ha? Kaya yung ating, dito, no, ang ating ginagamit ko dito sa Miracle Energy Healing Oil, yung green and yung gold. And yun din yun nandito, no? So, very carefully chosen yung mga design elements kasi nito, no? Even the background itself, it has a very deep spiritual meaning, ha? Tomorrow po, Miss Lenny, meron po ulit tayong free energy healing, ha? So, please do follow me, Madam Lenny. And tomorrow po, alas 8 po ng gabi, hintayin po ko po kayo para makasali po kayo sa ating energy healing, no? Pero ngayon po, if you like, makinig po tayo sa mga testimonials po ng mga kasama natin dito na sumali po sa energy healing ngayong gabi. Alright? Okay, salamat po, Miss Lenny. Ayan. Anything else, Miss Maricon, Infinity 8?
Yun lang po, sir. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, marami pong salamat. Ayan, ano? So guys, ito ating Miracle Energy Healing Oil. Baba mo na kita, Miss Maricon, ha? Para makapag-ano ka dyan, ha? Makapag-moment ka pa dyan, ma-feel mo talaga yung healing energies. Guys, nga pala yung energy healing natin dito, no? 15 minutes lang siya, pero it will have an effect on us until tomorrow, no? Until tomorrow yung kanyang effect. No? So, kaya advice, no? Kung medyo malakas yung energy niyo tanggap nyo tonight, galaw-galaw po para mag-circulate yung energy sa ating katawan. So, yan, available na po yung ating Miracle Energy Healing Oil. It is intended to complement the energy healing sessions, to heal the chakras, no, yung mga spiritual centers, to heal the heart, no. Tapos ba meron kayong mga ailments, you can apply it there. Roller naman kasi to, no. You can apply it there. Of course, EJ, no, it is everyone can use this regardless kung ano yung religion mo. Even if hindi ka sabihin natin bago ka lang sa spirituality, this is also good for you. Highly recommended nga ito para sa mga nag-start pa lang ng spiritual journey nila. No, to be honest, because it's going to help purify the chakras, it's going to help purify the energy centers of your body. So that includes the crown chakra, dito, apply mo siya, apply mo sa third eye, apply mo sa dito, sa willpower mo, sa throat mo, sa heart mo, sa solar plexus, sa navel, sa pubic area para sa sex chakra, no? And doon sa may tailbone sa likod kasi nandun po yung root chakra. No? Especially coming New Year, no? Kailangan maganda, guys, no? Yung chakras talaga natin, very, very malinis talaga siya and very, very positive, harmonized kasi diyan papasok yung mga good energies, blessings ng coming New Year. No? So let's prepare our spirit to welcome the new year 2024, yung Year of the Dragon. No? Ayan. Kasi yung mga energies po na ganon, it will check the energy of an individual. Oh, ano ba to? Parang, is it ready na ba to receive? Malinis na ba to? Wala na bang blockage? Wala na ba to mga hang-ups? Nag-let go na ba niya mga dapat niyang i-let go? No, kapag nakita niyang clear na, malinis na, tapos open na yung mga chakras, mas madaling papasok po yung mga blessing, yung mga divine energies. No? Okay? Ayan. So, nasa yellow basket naman po yung nakapin. If you'd like, you can order now. Or if you like, tanong lang po kayo. And mas maganda, attend po kayo ng free energy healing tomorrow. No? Tuesday hanggang Friday. Alas 8 po ng gabi yun. Alright. Miss Lian? Uy, nagtago siya bigla.
Yeah.
Bigla siya naging shy.
Hindi,
Shy
ano
ako.
po, sa akin,
Guys,
parang
nataka
kanina
lang. Si Miss Lian po, tsaka si Miss Rosel, sila po yung pinakamatagal na umattend ng energy healing. Since March ba? Since June? Kailan
June,
ba?
I think.
June. 6 months na. Ngayong December. O, diba? Mga sinaunang tao sila, kumbaga. Sige, kamusta po?
Ayun. Sir, sa akin parang kang yin and yang.
Ha?
Parang yin and yang yung pakiramdam ko.
Oh, may balancing of yin and yang energy. Oh, that's very good, ha?
Kasi on the
Very good yun.
left side, I feel cold. Kasi may
Okay.
electric fan ako, so hinahangin ako, okay. On the right side, para ako, sir, hindi naman ako yung iniihaw. Never ko pa naman naramdaman yung feeling na iniihaw. Pero alam niyo po yung feeling na nag-iihaw kayo, tapos nakatapat kayo doon.
Mainit.
Ang init talaga. Tapos yung sinabi niyo, sir, yung tumawat yung isa, no? Alam ko mataba ako, masarap ako pag inihaw.
Oh, no, let's not go on that way, ha? Let's not make jokes on ourselves na na may negative connotation, ha? We don't deserve that. Okay?
Pero
Ah?
sir, yung part na sinabi niyo sa tenga, sa akin talaga yun. Sobrang init ng tenga ko kanina.
Kasi may nasasense ako sa inyo sa tenga merong something eh. Ikaw pala yun.
Opo, sobrang init niya. Nasabi ko, ano ba to? Tapos,
Okay, no? Miss Lian kasi, di ba? Explain ko lang ng konti. Kaya sobrang init yun. Yun po yung purifying energy. So, pinupurify ka talaga kanina kaya sobrang init siya. And we have to endure that. We have to go through that process of purification. No? Kasi
Yes.
mainit kasi kailangan i-dissolve yung mga negative energies, thoughts, and habits na meron tayo. Lahat naman tayo meron dapat talagang i-purify. No? Lahat
Yes.
tayo, no? No one is pure but God. So we all have to go through several purification process and continuous purification process. No? Madaming purification kailangan natin. Kaya yung energy healing oil is going to assist that. No? Para kahit natutulog ka, may nangyayaring purification sa katawan mo. Habang nagwo-work ka, di ba? May nangyayaring purification so mas clear yung mind mo. Kaya pinrito na din talaga siya. No? Yun po. Sige, ano pa pong madam?
yun sir, para talaga ang init. Kasi kahit after, di ba, after the heat,
Pero ano, malamig ba sa lugar nyo? May electric fan, may aircon naman yata, ganon?
may electric fan ako, sir, pero nakatapat sa akin. Pero yun nga po,
So, mainit pa din.
yung dito, malamig. Kasi parang feeling mo tinatamaan ka ng hangin, okay. Pag dito talaga, sir, sobrang init. Para akong nandun sa may nag-iihaw.
Yes.
Mainit. So, sabi
Mainit
ko,
po talaga.
opo,
Eh.
tapos
Parang nagbabaga siya, di ba?
yes. Parang yung sinasabi ko, sir, na, yung lagi kong sinasabi na sometimes when you say na, go to the light, see the light.
Yes.
Yung hindi ko
Yes.
makita si light, pero you know
Kanina?
that you're in the light because you feel the light.
That's also a good thing. You feel it. Because you can feel it, you can see it.
Opo.
No?
Parang feeling ko, sir, di ba dati, when I was early on, I can see a lot of things. Parang it's so visionary. Ngayon,
Yes.
hindi ko na sila nakikita, pero nararamdaman ko na sila. Parang ganun yung
I think
evolution. Na parang dati,
I think during this time, yun ang kailangan mong ma-enhance. Yung spiritual senses mo, the feeling.
yes po.
Tapos next time, sabay-sabay na yan. May feeling
Opo,
na,
kasi
meron
ngayon
pang
wala akong
vision.
nakikita. Pero yung, alam niyo po yung ramdam niyo, yung sobrang init dito na, after natin, so hinawakan ko yung tenga ko. Sabi ko, mainit ba yung tenga ko? Surprisingly, pareho naman sila ng temperature. Tapos sabi
It's
ko,
the energy. It's the
Opo,
energy.
kaya nung sinabi niyo na nakakaramdam kayo ng heat sa tenga niyo, yung sabi ko, this is so me. Ako to.
So that's good, no?
Nakarelate ako agad. Yun po. Pero
So
okay
talaga
naman,
guys,
sir.
no, I really mentioned those things during the energy healing session kasi lalo ni mga bago po dito, baka ma-weirdohan kayo, bakit ang init-init? Kasi meron dito umattend, talagang binuksan pa niya yung mata niya, chinek niya yung likod niya kasi parang may nagbabagang apoy na raw sa likod niya. So I have to guide you guys para hindi kayo mawindang, hindi kayo mataranta, no? That is all part of the healing energy. No? Ano pa po, Miss Lian, kanina?
Ano sir, di ba una nung sabi ko, ito medyo may heat, dito wala. After the energy healing, parang, alam mo sir, yung part na medyo malamig, sila yung medyo nakakaramdam ka ng alay.
Yes.
Pero yung part na mainit, parang
Mm.
everything is okay. Wala akong
Oo.
mararamdaman na anything na parang okay. So parang I know during that time nag-purify talaga. And
Yes.
yung side na to,
Kung saan kailangan, no?
the purification. Kasi mafe-feel niyo po yung difference. Sa parang dito sa side na hindi naman parang normal ang pakiramdam mo. Ano pa yung sakit ng balikat mo? Pero yung kabilang side, parang hindi mo ang strong.
Yes, no? For some people, init siya, warm energy or hot energy. For some people naman, electrical energy. No?
Yes.
Katulad si Miss Christian kanina, electrical doon nararamdaman niya. So that's good, no? Very good. How about dun sa part na when I asked you guys to look into your own energy, how did you see yourself? Did you see yourself? Did you feel yourself?
I tried my best. The problem
Okay.
is, masyado yata akong visual na tao. So, nung sinabi niyo, try to see your energy, ang na-imagine ko, sir, yung chakra book. Na ito yung kulay, yung chakra book.
Yung chakra mo.
Yung chakra book mismo.
It's okay.
Diba yung
Alam mo ano yun? It's the way. Yeah, it's the way of the universe to introduce to you those things.
Opo.
No,
So,
kasi parang yun ang pinakamadali eh. Kasi may memory ka na, so ibabalik ulit sa'yo ng universe yun. Parang, my child, go ahead and be aware of your chakras. Eventually, makikita mo na rin actual.
Parang ito yung color. So, iniisip ko, anong kulay nung sa akin? Naiisip ko, siguro, hindi ko siya nakita, sir. Pero alam mo, you get the feeling na siguro, today, I am at may neon green ako, tsaka meron akong hindi red. May pagka-orange. Yun yung feeling ko, pero it's not something that I actually saw.
Yeah. You could feel the colors then. That's okay. Kumbaga, meron kang inner knowingness at I'm seeing this color.
Yes.
And that's coming from a higher vibrational state, ha? You just feeling something and knowing it without actually seeing the energy, medyo mas mataas yon actually. Kasi you have an inner knowing.
Kasi nung sabi niyo sa akin, look at your chakra. Ayun yung na-imagine ko yung chakra book. Tapos yung iting kulay nito, violet, may gano'n. Tapos
that's okay, no? That's good.
Pero yun po, sir, yun yung, I don't know if I'm correct, pero at that time, that's what I felt my color was. In the neon green and to neon orange, sa ganun. It's not red.
Okay, alright. The green color is very healing, no? Purifying yan. The orange color is a very strong energy. Mainit yun. Kaya it's really resonating doon sa nararamdaman mong extreme hot energy kanina.
Apo.
No? Yun. Yes, you're correct talaga, no? Tama yung vision mo. You're seeing your energies correctly kanina. The orange and the green is all purifying. No? Yeah. Okay? Anything else?
Sir, thank you. Yun lang, sir.
Ayan na, Miss Lian, na available na to, ha? Whenever yun, order ka na lang, nasa yellow basket, okay?
Yes, sir.
Nakapinyan dito, okay? Sige.
Yes, sir.
Tapos give me feedback kapag na-receive mo na siya. Now, guys, sa mga umorder na po, no, kapag attend po kayo ng energy healing natin, gamitin nyo na rin siya before we start, no? So, bago kayo matin dito, mag-apply na po kayo. And then, mas magiging, parang physically, I am there touching you with the oil. Parang ganun siya. Kasi this is something prepared physically by me here in the physical world, no? So, there's more stronger connection sa spirit na napoproject natin dito from me towards you. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Ayan. So, thank you so much, Miss Lian.
Bye.
Congrats nga pala.
Opo. Thank you, sir.
Congrats sa iyong new job.
Opo.
Pwede ba sabihin dito? Ayan. Yun lang naman. Congrats lang sa new job. Yun lang. Baba na kita, ha?
Yes, sir.
Para makapag-moment ka muna dyan, ha? Take care. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Yan, Miss Rosel, hello. How are you, madam? Ganda ng suit mo ngayon, ha? Pa-Sibra-Sibra. I love it. So, how was your experience? Ang nakita ko kasi sa'yo, very malakas yung pumapasok na energy sa'yo today. Especially sa lower back. So, ganun nga ba ang experience mo kanina?
Yes, sir. Nakikita ko po yung kulay yellow. Tapos parang may tumadyak sa likod ko.
Yes, kaya sabi ko sa lower back, di ba? Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, ano mo yan, kayanin mo yan, kakayanin mo naman talaga yan. Kasi may nakita akong parating talaga, malakas na energy. Parang malakas na sipa pa lang nangyari sa'yo.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Parang
kamusta?
Tapos parang minamassage yung ulo ko.
Yes, very good. So, after kang sipain ng energy, ng spiritual guides mo siguro yon, minamassage ka naman, no? Hindi, ano po yan, guys, no? Yes, blooming siya. Ano yun, guys, na, yung spiritual energies po na yun, galing yun kay God, galing sa spirit guides niya. Empowerment talaga yun to support yung kanyang spiritual development, yung kanyang spiritual progress ni Miss Rosel, no? And yun nga, nakita ko kasi merong malakas na incoming sa kanya. So, medyo ginaid ko lang siya na, okay, prepare, kasi meron ng parating na malakas sa yun na nga. Very
Tapos
good.
ano, sir, parang humuhugot siya pa ilalim. Alam mo yung hindi
Umiikot
siya
ganon.
mainit.
Oo.
Oo, parang ganon. Dito sa tainga, ang ilong ko parang gumaganon.
Nanunuot
Parang-
siya.
Oo, pati
Oo.
dito sa lalamunan, pati sa mata. Parang
Oo,
talagang hinihigit.
Medyo intense kasi yung ating energy healing tonight, guys. Kung napansin nyo, no? Lahat kayo parang iba yung dama nyo ngayon, no? Medyo intense talaga siya. Concentration of divine light kasi talaga yon, ano? Kaya nga, lalo na sinasabi nyo, I am divine light, divine child of God, no? Basically, talagang na-empower kayo nun, ano? Ano pa po, Miss Rosel? Congratulations, ha?
Thank you. Tapos nang sinasabi niyo po na I am the divine light, nakita ko po yung para siyang black, may pagka-gold na kulay.
Black and gold.
O gumaganon siya. Parang
Okay.
nagano sila nag-isa.
Kung pwede na po pala ako, pwede naman po, madam, no? If you like po, pwede na po kayong umorder, Ate V. Andito pa pala kayo, Ate V. I'm happy na nandiyan pa kayo, nakikinig ko sa mga testimonial ng mga kasama natin. Ha? Salamat po. I appreciate po yung presence ninyo.
Nag-iisa po sila, sir.
Yung black tsaka
Nauna
gold.
Opo. Nauna yung gold, tapos sumunod yung black. So parang
Okay.
napakagandang tingnan kasi parang nag-aagaw sila ng kulay.
Yes, no? Kumbaga, ano yan, guys, no? Yung black is divine energy. And yung black energy, sinasabi ni Miss Rosel, if you're going to look at it spiritually, it means, di ba yung universe, pag lumabas ka, completely dark yan? The black color na nakikita po ni Miss Rosel is the unmanifested light. Yung hindi pa nagmamanifest na light. So, it's very powerful energy. Combined with the divine energy represented by the golden energy. No? Malakas po talaga yon, guys. No? So, hindi naman ko pag sinabing black ay negative na. No? Sa higher spiritual world, there are other meanings, symbolism of these colors. No? And, parang yung black na nakita mo, parang starry siya, meron may pagka-silver-silver. Parang may mga dot-dot na, no? Yun. So, yun. Combination yun ng very dark energy, parang similar to the stars on the sky. That is the unmanifested light and divine energy combining in you. Na? Pumapasok sa'yo, di ba?
Yes,
So
sir.
those are very-
Sila, nagko-combine.
There's a very powerful energies and congratulations, you're receiving it. Sa private session natin, Miss Rosel, I'm going to explain more, ha?
Sige, sige. Sir.
But, yeah, I'm happy na na-receive mo yun, ha?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anything
Tapos,
else?
Yung sa patingnan yung kulay, ang nakikita ko is light blue na may white.
Ha? Yung tatlong kulay?
Light, yung sa, di ba sabi mo tingnan yung kulay ng sa
Yung,
namin.
yung sarili mo. Oo.
Light blue na may white na halo.
Parang ganyan.
Yes, sir.
Yan. Sky blue. So, may meaning din yan actually. No? Okay? Ano pa po? Very good, no? Ano pa po?
Thank you.
Yun lang po. Yun lang. No? Nilalang lang mo lang yun, ikaw ah. So, sige. Miss Maricon, nakit ka ulit dito. Si Miss Maricon po kasi is helping me na mag-moderate dito. Ay, Ate V, kung gusto mo magtanong, sige, accept kita. Meron ka palang request dito. Sige. If you'd like to go on video, no? Sige. Kausapin ko muna kasi bago lang si Miss V, dito si Ate V. Ate V, kamusta po? Welcome dito sa ating energy healing sessions, no? I'm glad that you're here. Kamusta po kayo?
Okay lang po. Naririnig po ako?
Yes, madam. Nakatad po kayo kanina, madam?
Hindi po. Tapos na kayo bago pa kayo dumaan sa ano ko.
Kumbaga testimonial na.
Opo.
Pero I'm happy kasi naging open-minded ka to stay and to listen, no? To watch us here.
Sobra.
Baka nararamdaman mo parang may calling sa'yo or parang may nag-guide sa'yo na to stay, parang gano'n, ano?
Kailangan. Madami po kasi ako manifest, parang kailangan ko na mag-guide.
Sige, no, energy healing, free naman po yan, ginagawa ko dito. And ito nga pong Miracle Energy Healing is going to complement it, no? So, pwede ka nang umorder if you'd like. Kung feel mo nasa puso mo talaga, maluwag sa puso mo, order ka na, no? Para maganda yon, ma-receive mo na, para pag-attend mo ng next week, siguro dumating na sa'yo, meron ka na rin ito. Ganyan, ano? Ha? Kaya naman ako, kahit first time mo dito, interested ka kaagad ng order, no? Thank you sa trust, no? Thank you sa trust.
Madami po akong pinapanood na ganito, parang, ewan ko, dito ako na, iba.
So that's good. May naramdaman ka something. So, salamat naman po. I appreciate po yung inyong pagtitiwala.
Opo.
No?
First time ko to,
question lang. 6 months na rin po dito halos, nag-energy healing ako.
Paano po yung
Tapos,
pa-energy healing sa inyo na private po?
Sa private, teka, pwede ko yung kodigo ko, ha? Sa private naman po, 2 hours po yun, one-on-one tayo. Tapos video po yun, video call. No?
Okay
Hindi po dito sa TikTok yun. Private talaga, tayo lang dalawa mag-usap, magkikita sa video call. Nakita mo ako, ganito. Then, same background, ganyan. Tapos, 2 hours yun. So, merong, bali, 2 healing sessions kasi, no? Yung unang healing session, para ma-prepare ka, para ma-relax ka, mas maging open yung chakras mo, para ma-receive mo talaga yung healing na kailangan mo. Tapos, usap tayo ng konti, pag-usapan yung nag-experience mo, papaliwanag ko kung ano man yung dapat paliwanag. Tapos, proceed na tayo doon sa second, na kung ano talaga yung concern mo. Halimbawa, ang concern mo ay healing para sa digestive system, sa tiyan, kunwari. So, yun natututukan na natin. Doon na tayo mag-focus talaga, doon sa, so, baga parang 2 healing sessions talaga yon. Kaya siya 2 hours, no? And yun nga, papaliwanag ko din kung ano yung, may spiritual talk po yun, madam, para mas maintindihan nyo po bakit naging ganun ang sitwasyon at para mas maiwasan siya, no? Mga bagay po na makakatulong para mas mag-heal kayo. Kasi ang healing naman po, hindi lang sa body, di ba? Ang healing din, kailangan ng emotions mag-heal kasi connected yan. Kailangan din po mag-heal ang mind para mas madaling mag-heal yung body. Kaya minsan talaga yung mga gamot natin, partial lang yung effect niya kasi nga hindi nag-heal yung mind, hindi nag-heal yung emotions. Ang masama pa niyan, tumataas yung dosage ng pag-inom ng gamot. No? Ganun po yun. Pero kapag may energy healing talaga, it's going to complement. Yan. The energy healing po, Madam Ate V, hindi siya to replace yung conventional medicine, but to complement. No? Kasi meron tayong physical, emotional, at spiritual. So, yun po yun. No?
Opo. Ano po yun sa mga manifestation? Pwede rin po yun.
Yung healing oil, hindi po siya intended talaga para doon. Kasi sa healing talaga siya. Pero, kasi ganito yan, ang pinaka-secret talaga, Ate V, no? Pag yung chakras natin, kasi ito talaga, hihil niya yung mga chakras. Kapag yung chakras po natin talaga ay very healed na siya, very pure na, very clean, automatic, no, yung natural powers mo to manifest, yung natural ability mo to receive blessings, mas tataas. Kaya yung mga i-manifest mo, mag-work talaga siya more and more. May umaattend po dito ng energy healing sessions ko. Yung mga minamanifest silang job, magkaroon ng maging pregnant, nagkakaano, kasi nakiklear na eh. nakiklear na yung mga chakras, natatanggap na yung mga energies na kailangan para
Yung mga
mag-manifest.
blockages po na tinatawag.
Yes, exactly, yes.
Parang ang dami ko
So,
kasi pong ganun.
Yun po yung pinaka-secret talaga. Kumbaga ito, unahin talaga yung healing natin, then everything will follow. Di ba nga sabi sa Bible, seek
Yun
ye
nga po
first
yung
the kingdom
nakikita
of
ko sa-
God, and all of these things
Parang
will
kailangan
come
ko simulan
unto
sa
you.
sarili ko.
No? So kung pag sinik mo yung healing mo, yung kingdom ni God, everything will follow. The blessings and all.
Opo.
Magfo-flow talaga yan. No, madam? Ayan. Ang ganda
Opo.
naman questions mo. Salamat. No?
Na for connection naman ako. Nadama ko kasi na kailangan ko talagang simulan sa sarili ko kasi parang ang dami kong blockages.
Yes, no?
Basta pa. Opo. Sige po. Tomorrow po, attend ako.
Ayun, natata muna sabi ni Miss Divine. Kasi si Miss Divine talaga inaaraw-araw niya pag-a-attend ng energy healing dito. Medyo na-busy siya, pero sabi niya, dati hindi raw siya nananalo sa raffle, pero ngayon nabubunot na raw siya. Alam mo kung bakit, Miss Divine? Guys, ganito kasi yung na-clear na yung chakra mo, kaka-energy healing. Yung energy po ninyo mas maliwanag na. Lahat ng hawakan nyo, lahat ng susulatan nyo, mas maliwanag yon. Siyempre, mas positive ang energy, mas malapit sa swerte. Mas magnetic siya. Mas malakas yung ability mo to receive, no? So yun siya, mas radiant, mas maliwanag ang energy mo, mas malinis energy mo, mas kitang-kita ng universe kung sino yung i-bless niya. Yun po yung secret talaga, no? No, kaya importante guys ang energy healing, promise, no? Promise talaga. Si Miss Lian din. 'Di ba? Si Miss Lian din, ang dami niyang mga
Kaya nga po,
nabubunot.
Hindi niyo doon kanina.
Pero guys, no, hindi, yes, it's a good, magandang goal yun. Pero, ang intention talaga guys is mapalapit kay God. The healing, ha? Kumbaga, extra bonus siya mga nabubunot sa raffle, mga abundance na yun. Pero, deep connection kay God talaga, ay importante. Kasi si God na yun, ano pang hihingin mo? Basically. Di ba? Pag naging closer tayo kay God, yun na yun. Well, no, good luck sa'yo, no? If it's meant to be,
Opo.
if karma will allow, Miss Divine, so be it. No, Miss Ate V, thank you na tomorrow, ha?
Kinikilabutan ako.
Yeah, tomorrow, ha? See, kita tayo. And
Opo,
order ka na kung gusto mo, ha? Ayan.
Opo, mag-order ko.
Yeah, sige.
Sige po, thank you.
Kasi guys, nasa 40 lang yung nagawa ko nito, yung first batch, no? And after ng 40 na yan, it will take me another 2 weeks again to prepare. Kasi 2 weeks ko po talaga itong pine-prepare. Hindi ko naman siya basta ginagawa lang sinasalin-salin, no? 14 days po talaga, may mystical ritual prayer akong ginagawa dito, special prayer to make it work. No? Ayan, kasi God is with us. Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Miss Diaz. So thank you so much, Miss Ate V. Baba mo na po kita, ha? Yes po, Sir EJ. Basically, i-apply to directly sa chakras. The purpose is to apply directly sa 7 chakras. Third, crown, third eye, dito po sa Ajna chakra, yung willpower, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, navel sa may pusod, sa pubic area, sa ilalim ng pusod, sa sex chakra po yun. And then sa likod po, sa tailbone, sa root chakra yun. Ayan. No? Apply po lahat doon para ma-heal yung chakra. So, pwede nyo gawin yan every morning pagkagising nyo before you go to work. Tapos, bago kayo matulog, pwede nyo i-apply para habang natutulog, nagpapahinga, merong healing pa rin nagaganap sa chakras nyo. Or habang papunta kayo sa work, nagwo-work pa rin yung energy, nagkakaroon kayo ng blessing. No, na harmonize yung chakra nyo and you will be harmonized dun sa energy ng universe. If we are in harmony with the energy of the universe, then abundance will naturally flow, good energies will naturally flow, good people will be drawn to you kasi ang ganda ng energy. No? So yun po. No? So yun talaga siya. And yun nga, Of course, kapag nag-healing tayo dito, maganda maglagay na kayo para mas potent yung energies na matatanggap ninyo, no? Mas malakas siya. Kasi parang physically coming from me to you, you have something there that's directly on your body, no? The oil, I mean, no? Kasi physically, I prepared it here, no? And also, pag mag-meditate po kayo, yan, pwede nyo rin ilagay, no? Tapos, halimbawa, meron kang specific concern, bawa sa liver area mo, sa kidney, sa stomach, pwede mo siyang lagay doon, no? Yes, bago po pumasok sa work, tas bago po matulog, you can apply it, no? Para ba, meron kang meeting na very stressful, no? You come prepared, maglagay ka na rin. Para mas ma-handle mo yung negative energies, no? Yan. Tapos, kung gusto mo, samahan mo na rin ng dasal or simply connect with humility to God, na with God, God, please do bless me. And through this oil, I connect my spirit, my mind, my heart to you. Ganon. I think yun na lang magandang prayer, no? Through this oil, no? I connect my body, heart, and spirit to you. Okay, no? Okay lang po yan, ano? Attend ka tomorrow, ha? Sir EJ, alam mo naman, nakakatulong sa'yo yung ating free energy healing, no? And if you'd like, private, one-on-one energy healing po tayo. So, that would be tonight, guys. For tonight, guys. See you all tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, alas 8 po ng gabi, meron tayong free energy healing session dito. God bless you guys. Take care.